So what you see here is basically what will finally be one miniaturized module built from our evaluation kit, the board that we call Landungsbrücke, basically interfacing our field-oriented controller, and here the predriver with the MOSFET stage. And here you can see basically the CPAP ventilator. We are measuring the current here right now, and here's our kind of steampunk-like pressure and our lung simulator, also homemade, and this is what we want to show you for now. This has currently no closed-loop feedback to any sensors. It just shows the operation of the blower.